Hello, welcome to your first video for 7.4. In this one, we're just going to talk through some vocab real quick. In this section, we're talking about angles in the coordinate plane. There are some parts of your angles you need to know. The first of which is the initial side. It's the side of the angle that lays along the positive x-axis. It is sort of written in on your pictures here, but it is these red sides here. Those are your initial sides. The terminal side is the other side of your angle. It's sort of the one that makes up the ending point. Let's highlight that one in green. So this one is your terminal side and your terminal side here. When you're drawing your angles in your coordinate plane, you have sort of two options when you figure out where your angle goes. The first one is if you travel counterclockwise and start at your x-axis and go counterclockwise, then you are going to have a positive angle. So in my first picture, theta is positive. Remember, theta just stands for that angle measure. Your second option is if you travel clockwise. So if I start at my initial side and I go down, then that means theta is negative. And that's sort of what your second 2 points were about, is positive angles are generated by going counterclockwise from initial side. Negative angles are generated by going clockwise from the initial side. The last thing you need to know are coterminal angles. There are two angles with the same initial and terminal sides, but different angles, like different angle measures. To find a coterminal angle, you're going to add or subtract 360 from your initial angle measure. So in my picture, let's say this first angle here is, let's use the actual pen and we'll use the red. Let's say this is 30 degrees. I don't actually know how big it is, but maybe it's 30 degrees. And again, that's the angle from my initial side to this blue line. Well, if I make another angle, let's do it in a green pen, and it starts here and it goes all the way around and then stops here. I would have to do 30 plus 360, which would give me 390 degrees. And so those angles are in the same spot. One just has more rotation than the other. So that's kind of what your coterminal angles are about. All right. Thank you for watching. You can go ahead and move on to your next video.